Hey guys, Nick here. I want to take a moment to really share something that I've been really excited about. As you all know, it truly is my belief that you can create and live a life by design so long as you're willing to put in the work, be coachable, and take action to create opportunities for yourself. Now with that said, something I created for myself by the end of 2020, by December 31st, was to actually be able to be in a position where I could actually be abroad more than I am in the United States, and then also be able to generate income through my YouTube channel, short form videography services, and then also editing content as well. Christmas came early because I've actually solidified my dream, which is to travel around the world for free, empowering entrepreneurs through money and business coaching, all the while building out my YouTube channel, getting paid to make banger videos for not only myself, but also other YouTubers and entrepreneurs. In the last 5 weeks, I've created videos that are currently being played at the Pure London Expo show, solidified engagements for a prodigy chocolatier, a financial advisor on track to hit 100 million assets under management by the end of the year, and a lot more. Most importantly, I've enrolled the founder and a marketing consultant of a digital nomad co-working, co-living company to create short-form videos, vlogs, and mini documentary style content in exchange for accommodations abroad. All of my travels and work will begin in April and May of this year through the Wi-Fi Tribe and the Remote Agency Incubator. And I will start in Brazil, then go to Bali, Greece, Poland, Czech Republic, maybe London and Germany, and then Argentina and Bolivia. By the time 2021 comes around, I'll be traveling and living around the world for free. I'll be making videos for company branded sponsorships. I'll be continuing to build out my YouTube channel and creating short form content for entrepreneurs. With all of that said, managing time zones and travel would be another layer of responsibility that I really would need to see if it is feasible or not to continue financial coaching. Now, coaching is something that I absolutely love doing, and I can foresee myself doing it for the rest of my life. But I'm really confronting, what that looks like, and I'm really confronting the difference that I make, because one of the things that I discovered in a conversation with my sister is the disservice it would be if I completely stopped financial coaching and pursued videography. I think there's a way for me to have it all, and I'm definitely curious to know, and definitely curious to hear if you have any ideas around how I can make it all work, whether it's continuing to coach people one-on-one, group coaching, live recordings, or another version of that. Ultimately, I wanted to share this all with you first, because although I'm extremely excited about the next chapter of my life, I can't help but feel nostalgic for all of the things that we've really created in the last 3 years. And as cliche as it sounds, I truly don't relate to you guys as clients, but rather true friends that I care deeply about. To take on a bit of my own coaching, I know that new futures really require me to evolve, transform, and step into the new Nick Durr. And I really want to thank you all for being a part of my journey. So what do I want you left with? A couple things. 1, I'd love for you to share with me what you're hearing from all of this. 2, I'd love your feedback on ideas on how I can continue serving people who are interested in elevating their finances and taking it to the next level. And 3, I'd love for you to communicate anything that's there for you, whether it's excitement, anger, confusion, questions, comments, concerns, whatever the case is, whatever you have to say is important to me. So thank you, really. It means the world to me that you are a part of my journey, and I want you to know that I love you, and that even though I'm in a different country, in a different time zone, I will always be available, and I will always be here for you. So, see you on the other side.